Hello friends, in this video I will show you some of the most useful Windows 10 shortcuts which you have never used and you have never heard of it. So let's go ahead and start with our very first Windows 10 shortcut, which is Windows plus V is used for showing the clipboard. You got it. Whenever you have copied something, whether it is image, whether it is text or website, anything, it is saved in clipboard and you can access it using this clipboard. Just press it and it will paste it for you. You also have the options to clear and delete and some other things that you want. Next, two very quick shortcuts, which is Ctrl Z and Ctrl Y, is used for undoing and redoing the most recent activity. And another one is Ctrl Shift In, which is used for creating a new folder wherever you are. It is a fast way to create a new folder. Remove it. Another two quick shortcuts is Windows I for opening the settings for Windows 10, and Windows E is for opening the Explorer, where you can go to My Computer, Desktop, Downloads, anywhere. Another useful shortcut is whenever you have a tab opened here, like I have the new folder open here, I want to snap it to the left or I want to snap it to the right. You can do that using the Windows shortcut, which is shift Windows plus left to snap it in left and Windows plus right to snap it in right. Another shortcut is whenever you have multiple tabs opened. Let me open some tabs. You can switch between tabs by pressing Alt tab simply. And if you want to keep open these tab menu, you can do it by Control Alt tab and it will give you the option to select between these ones. Just click on it and it will open for you. Another useful shortcut is whenever you want to open an application which is already opened. This is my Firefox. It's already opened and I want to open a new instance of Firefox. I can do it by just pressing holding the shift and pressing the click on it. It will open a new instance for it. And if you want to open a new instance using the run as administrator or using admin privilege, you can do it by Control Shift click. It will open the application using the admin privilege and it will ask you for the permission to allow it or not. It's working with all apps. Another shortcut is when your application is open and you want to peek on your desktop and see what is available in your desktop, you can press window key and press that little comma button. It will show you the desktop environment and you have to uh, keep pressing on that window key until you leave it. When you leave it back, it will take you back into your active session. And another quick shortcut is for maximizing and minimizing your window is window plus down arrow for minimizing and window plus up arrow is for maximizing. And here we are with a very useful shortcut, which is creating a new virtual desktop. We can do that by using Windows plus tab. It will give you this option where you can create a new desktop, but we will not use that. We can do it by using Windows shortcut, which is Control Windows D. It will create a new desktop environment for you. If you want to check all your desktops, you just hold Windows and press the tab. It will show you the number of desktops you have. You can close or you can create a new one. And if you want to control the current active desktop environment, you can press Control Window F4 it will close it, and now you have only one desktop. And if you have multiple desktops, like by creating control window W, no, it wasn't W, D. Right now I have 3 desktops, and I want to window E, I want to shift or jump from one desktop window to another. I can do that by using window control left, right, window control left, right, easily. And now we are to the final useful Windows shortcut that I have found, is snapping a part of your screen. You want to capture a part of your screen, you can do it by pressing Window Shift S. It will bring you this snap uh, ability. You just have to draw that I want this amount and drag it. It is snapped and saved to clipboard. You can use it as a picture, and you can also draw and edit it here. Okay, and final word, if you liked the video and it is useful for you, don't forget to like and subscribe the video, and I will see you in the next video.